This is the fabric shaver and lint remover, and the brand sent me a free one so I can check it out. I want to show you how cool this lint remover is. Now, before I show you how well this works on clothes, I wanted to run through some of the features I really like about this. Number one, it's got this large shaving head here. Now inside over here, you're gonna notice these large blades that it's gonna use to shave the clothes and remove the lint. So it's very high quality and built well. Now let me show you how well it works. Now I got this old lint t-shirt over here. Now to turn it on and use it's real easy. You're simply gonna press the button up here. There we go. You can see how it easily removes all the lint from this shirt. Now to empty it, it's real easy. You simply just pop out over here and remove the lint. It is rechargeable using this provided cord here, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a high quality lint remover for their everyday use.